Okay. I want to review this Ozark Trail flashlight I got. I had to wipe it off because it fell on the floor. Like, this is actually a really good flashlight because I've used this constantly, like in the dark, for sometimes like 10, 15 minutes. And it works really well, actually. You know, works really well. Um, this is held up. The button that has held up. Okay, so that. Let me do that. Right. That works really good. Um, yeah, I would recommend it. I really would because it works well in dark. Only downside for me is the little 3 thing. I put good batteries in here. I didn't use the batteries this came with. So, because I'm tell me what kit this came from. Yeah, I think it was a camping kit. I guess I don't know. I really don't. I really don't know. But it's a really good flashlight. I don't know if these will actually do anything for self defense. Let me see. Watch me, watch me cut myself doing this. But anyway, it will kind of probably work for self defense, but I don't think it's supposed to be meant for self defense. But it's a nice little heavy duty actual like metal flashlight, I believe. I don't know if you use the self defense, but yeah. If even hand, you'll probably know. You'll probably remember what what did I get this from? Was this from like a Walmart kit? Because I know it wasn't from this one. I had a thing right here, by the way. A kit. The 11 in one with like the machete, the knife, the thing, the dollar flashlight from Ozark Trail, bit in green, and the in I forgot what it was called, headlamp. I know it wasn't from that because that one's the dollar one. These are really good cheapo flashlights, to be honest. I don't have any complaints about it. It's lasted for months. Yeah, it still works. The button is still good. So yeah, 2 thumbs up for me. Of course, so this is like the one that you'll get without the branding on it too. But those are good too. These are surprisingly good cheapo flashlights. And you can do this easily. Like that, you just say I'm like, I don't need as much light. Yep. Now I do, right? So it's a one-hand operation that you can do it. Well, yeah, you can. Um, I don't like the lanyard. I'm not a fan of the lanyards, but it works what it needs to do. If I have to use it as a lantern, you know, like that to see everything. I'm going like, oh God, where's the like, oh no, where's the small little thing I dropped in the woods? Okay, yeah, there it is. It looks really good though. So yeah, 5 out of 5 to be honest. Anyway, peace. Some post-box survival. Hope you survive in the wasteland. I recommend decently good, cheap flashlights, probably kits, I guess. Peace.